Namaste everyone. Today I'm going to discuss few more questions of exponents. And here my first question is, find the value of x if 3 upon 4 whole raised to power 2x plus 1 equals to 3 upon 4 whole raised to power 3 and whole raised to power 3 again. Dear students, when you are solving such type of questions, remember first of all base must be same in both of the sides. See, it is 3 upon 4 in both sides, but right hand side is not in simplified form. So simplify it first of all, keep left hand side as it is. So it will remain 3 upon 4 whole raised to power 2x plus 1. In right side, power raised to power is there. So 3 upon 4 as it is. And the powers will be multiply. So 3 3s are 9. Now you can see both sides are in simplified form and in both sides the bases are same. So what you have to do, you have to equate powers now. So what will happen by equating powers? Let us see. Equating powers. The power of left hand side is 2x plus 1 will be equal to the power of right hand side is 9. So 2x plus 1 is equals to 9. Now simplify it. Take 1 to the right side. 2x will be equals to 9 minus 1. And here x will be equals to 2x is equals to 8 and x will be equals to 8 upon 2, that is 2 4s are 8 and the value of x is 4. This is the method to find out the value of variable if it is in power. Now let us see one more such example. It is minus 1 upon 5 raised to power 20 divided by minus 1 upon 5 raised to power 15 equals to minus 1 upon 5 raised to power 5x. So here also bases are same. We have to calculate the powers only. Simplify left hand side first of all. Minus 1 upon 5. Bases are same. Division is there. So powers will be minus 20 minus 15. Equals to minus 1 upon 5 raised to power 5x is as it is. Now simplify left hand side. Minus 1 upon 5 raised to power 20 minus 15 will be 5 equals to minus 1 upon 5 whole raised to power 5x. The bases are same. Now equate the powers again. Now remember one thing, when you are equating powers you don't have to write bases, you have to write only powers in the form of equal to, but remember the bases must be same first of all. So here 5 will be equals to 5x. Now we have to find out x, so bring 5 to the left side. 5 upon 5 will be equals to x, and from here x will be equals to 1. This is your required answer. Now let us see one more question. It is 1 upon 16 multiplied by 1 upon 2 whole raised to power 2 equals to 1 upon 2 whole raised to power 3 whole multiplied by x minus 2. So here bases are not same. Let us simplify left hand side first of all. So first of all let us factorize 16. 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4 and 2 1s are 2. So 4 times 2 is there. So 1 upon 16. I told you bases must be same. So to make the bases same we are doing this. So it can be written as 1 upon 2 raised to power 4 and 1 upon 2 whole raised to power 2 as it is. and right side also as it is. 1 upon 2 whole raised to power 3 whole multiplied by x minus 2. One can be written as 1 raised to power 4. Remember, we have to equate the bases, so that is the reason we are writing it 1 upon 2 whole raised to power 4. And second part as it is, 1 upon 2 raised to power 2 equals to 1 upon 2 whole raised to power 3 whole multiplied by x minus 2. Now in left hand side bases are same, multiplication is there, so powers will be plus, and this will be equals to 1 upon 2 whole raised to power 4 plus 2 equals to 1 upon 2 whole raised to power 3 whole multiplied by x minus 2. And simplify it more, this will be equals to 1 upon 2 whole raised to power 6 equals to 1 upon 2 raised to power 3 whole multiplied by x minus 2. Now the bases are same. And repeat the same method, equate the powers. So the powers will be 6 in the left side and 3 whole multiplied by x minus 2 in the right side. So 6 will be equals to 3 whole multiplied by x minus 2. Bring 3 to the left side, simplify for x, will be equals to x minus 2. So 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 are 6, and bring 2 to the left side, 2 plus 2 equals to x. Therefore, the value of x is 4. 2 plus 2, that is 4. Now next is, which of the following statements are true? And the first statement is 0.6 whole raised to power 8 divided by 0.6 whole raised to power 7 equals to 0.6 whole raised to power 2. You can see the bases are same, so the powers we have to see now. But see, in left side there is division, so 8 minus 7 is 1, but in right side there is 2, so this will be false. Same in second question, the bases are same, powers will be minus, so 6 minus 3 will be 3, and it is same in right hand side, so this will be true. The reciprocal of 7 upon 5 whole raised to power 12 is 5 upon 7 whole raised to power 12. You know that when we have to find out the reciprocal, we have to reciprocate denominator only. So yes, it is true. In next question, the distributive property of powers is there, 5 plus 5 whole raised to power 5, but remember it is not true for addition, so this will be false. You can simplify them and then you can check. In next part also bases are same, where power is nothing you can put 1, so see left side, 4 minus 3 is 1 and 1 minus 1 will be 0, but in right side the power is 1, so it means it is false. In the last part also the bases are same, see the powers only. So 1 plus 2 is 3 and 3 minus 3 will be 0, and any number raised to power 0 is 1. You know it, so this will be true. Now let us see some simplifications. And here first question is minus 1 upon 2 whole raised to power minus 3 upon minus 1 upon 2 whole raised to power minus 4 minus minus 1 upon 2 whole raised to power minus 5 upon minus 1 upon 2 whole raised to power minus 6. See, all the bases are same. but all the powers are negative. So first of all, we have to take reciprocal of each number to make these powers positive. So the reciprocal of -1 upon 2 is -2 upon 1 can be written as -2 whole raised to power, it will become positive now, it is 3. Same in denominator, -2 raised to power will become 4 minus -2 raised to power 5 whole upon -2 raised to power 6. Now here bases are same, the numbers are in division, so powers will be minus. -2 whole raised to power 3 minus 4 minus -2 whole raised to power 5 minus 6. So -2 whole raised to power -1, 3 minus 4 is -1, minus -2 raised to power -1. You can see same numbers are there, can be equal to 0, but if you want to simplify, you can simplify them. So again -2 inverse means reciprocal of -2 will become -1 upon 2 minus again reciprocal of -2 is -1 upon 2. So -1 upon 2 minus -1 upon 2 will be equal to 0. Now let us see one more question. By what number should we multiply 2 raised to power -5 so that the product may be equal to 2 raised to power -1? First of all, read the statement properly. What number should we multiply with 2 raised to power -5? So let that number is x. So solution will be, let the number is x. Now see according to question. What the question says, that what should we multiply? So x should be multiplied. This what number we have taken equals to x. So 2 raised to power -5 whole multiplied by x will be equal to, the answer is 2 raised to power -1. Now take 2 raised to power -5 to the right side. I am using the shortest way. So if you will take this whole number to the right side, it will go in the division of 2 raised to power -1. So x will be equal to 2 raised to power -1 whole upon 2 raised to power -5. So bases are same, you can subtract the powers, it will become 2 raised to power -1 minus minus of 5, which is equals to, simplify it now, it is 2 raised to power -1 minus minus plus 5. So 5 minus 1 or -1 plus 5 will be 2 raised to power 4, which is your required answer. Now let us see one more such case. By what number should 24 raised to power -1 be divided so that the quotient may be equal to 4 raised to power -1? So again, like previous question, let the number is x. So according to question, now see what must be divided? So that x must be divided. So the solution will be 24 raised to power minus 1 be divided by x. This will be divided by x. So you can write upon x equals to 4 raised to power minus 1. Nothing is there in the denominator, you can put 1. You can use the shortest way to simplify it. So here cross multiply 1 into 24 raised to power minus 1 will be as it is, 24 raised to power minus 1 equals to x multiplied by 4 raised to power minus 1. Now raised to power minus 1 is there, means inverse is there. Inverse means reciprocal. So take reciprocal of both numbers. 24 inverse means 1 upon 24 will be equals to x multiplied by 4 inverse means 1 upon 4. Now simplify it. 1 upon 24 as it is, and x multiplied by 1 will be x upon 4. Bring 4 to the left side, it will come in multiplication of whole number. So 1 upon 24 multiplied by 4 will be equals to x, and 4 1 are 4, 4 6 are 24. So the value of x will be 1 1 are 1 upon 6, which is your required answer. Thank you and keep smiling.